Lesson 24. The Mudood. Lengthenings. Types of med. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson is about the Mudood. So, what is the symbol of med? What are the types of med and what are their rulings? This is what we will learn in our lesson. Are you ready? Remember that al-qalqala, reverberation of the sound of a letter when pronouncing one of the letters of qalqala. There are 5 letters of qalqala. These letters should be sakina, non-voweled, so that we can apply qalqala to them, e.g.
فانصب اقرأ لشهيد.
In this lesson, we shall learn, insha'Allah, about the Mudood. Let us start. First, what is the symbol of med? The symbol of med in the Mus'haf is like this. Second, what are the types of Mudood, plural for med? The most popular types of med. Number 1, al-med al-munfasil. Number 2, al-med al-muttasil. Number 3, al-med al-lazim. Now let us learn about the types of Mudood. Al-med al-munfasil, the separated med. This is where the letter of med is at the end of a word and there is a hamza at the beginning of the next word, e.g.
ما أغنى.
The ruling for al-med al-munfasil. It is allowed to shorten it to 2 finger counts, folding or unfolding, such that you read it as a natural lengthening. It's also allowed to lengthen it to 4 finger counts. Now, let us practice for al-med al-munfasil. Listen and notice the shortening 2 counts.
ولا أنتم في أحسن يره أحد.
Listen and notice the med 4 counts.
ولا أنتم في أحسن يره أحد.
Listen and repeat.
ولا أنتم في أحسن يره أحد. ولا أنتم في أحسن يره أحد.
Al-med al-muttasil, the connected med. This is where the hamza comes after a letter of med in the same word, e.g.
شاء.
Ruling of al-med al-muttasil. It should be lengthened for 4 counts. Now let us practice for al-med al-muttasil. Listen and notice.
والسماء سيئت بالسوء.
Listen and repeat.
والسماء سيئت بالسوء.
Al-med al-lazim, the compulsory med. This is where a letter with shadda comes after a letter of med, e.g.
الصاخة.
The ruling for al-mad al-lazim, it should be lengthened for 6 counts. Now let us practice for al-mad al-lazim. Listen and notice.
ولا الضالين ضالا فهدى.
Listen and repeat.
ولا الضالين ضالا فهدى.
Do you now know the answer to the questions? What is the symbol of med? What are the types of med and what are their rulings? Repeat listening to the lesson to make sure that you can answer the questions. See you in the next lesson, which will be about al-idgham, merging. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.